Hello everyone. So today video is for how to download and installing VMware and Kali Linux. So let's start. First of all, open any browser you want and search VMware Workstation and click on download option. Then you see the download fusion or workstation. So click on it. Then create Broadcom account. After creation of Broadcom account, you see the interface. Then click on free software download available here option. Then you see the new interface. Then search in search option type VMware Workstation and click on enter. Then you see the VMware Workstation Player and VMware Workstation Pro option. So click on it, VMware Workstation Pro. Now you see for Windows and for Linux. So I want for Windows. So click on Windows, and here you see 17.6.3, the latest version of the VMware. Now click on download option and you see the downloading is started. So the next is download Kali Linux. So open any browser and search Kali Linux. Then see the official site of Kali Linux. Then click on the website. Then click on the download option and scroll down and see the x86 64-bit installer. So download through torrent or directly. So click on download icon and you see the downloading is started, and here the VMware is downloaded. Then in pre-built VMS option, you see the VMware. So download through torrent or directly. So click on download option and the download is started. After the Kali Linux downloaded, unzip this file due to the file is in zip file. Now install the VMware Workstation. So click on the VMware Workstation, then you see the VMware interface is seen. It takes some time, then click on next option. Then check the option of I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next option and also check the install Windows hypervisor platform automatically and click on next option. Then again click on next option. Then at last click on install option. It takes some time to install. Then click on finish option. Now you can see the VMware Workstation is installed. So open the VMware and click on open virtual machine. Then select the unzip file of Kali Linux which you already unzipped. Then click on open option. Then you see the Kali Linux is installed. Now click on power on this virtual machine option. It takes some time due to its first time. Now type Kali in username and also Kali in password. Due to its default username and password is Kali. Now you can see the windows of Kali Linux. If you want to change the name of machine, then right click on Kali Linux option, then click on rename option, then give the name you want. Also you can see the terminal here, the left upper side. Now if you want to shut down Kali Linux, then click on shutdown option or just click Ctrl plus E, then click on shutdown option. So by the way, thank you for your attention. If you learned something, then like and subscribe our channel. If you want any help, then contact me on email hackwith36@gmail.com, which I give in the corner. So thank you.